Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm just taking a warm brown eyeshadow and putting it in my crease. Now I'm going to use the Glamlite Icee Blue Raspberry eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and put that on the first half of my lids. And I'm going to take the other shade and put it right next to it. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from you all. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni XL Wispy Full Lashes and also the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Next, I'm using the Sephora eye pencil just to make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the NYX Face Glue Gripping Primer, and this is new. I really love it. It's made with maple syrup, and it really grips your makeup and keep your makeup looking good all day. I also use the setting spray to go along with it, so you'll see that later on in the video, but the combination of both of those together works well and it keeps your makeup looking flawless all day. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. highlight, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. I'm going to take the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had the concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the orange shade out the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm also going to use their highlighter out of there as well to highlight. For lips, I'm using the ABH Liquid Lipstick in Crush, and I'm also using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the NYX Face Glue Setting Spray. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed the Sapphire eyeshadow look that I did. Don't forget, if you're looking for a new face primer and setting spray, I would definitely recommend the NYX Face Glue Gripping Primer and the setting spray to go along with it. Using these two together made my makeup look flawless, and just kept it looking good all day. And it's made with maple syrup, which I think is great. It's definitely something different, so I would definitely recommend trying these two together. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.